The Solanaceae family or nightshade family includes diverse plants. Notable members: potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, tobacco. Some members are edible and nutritious, like potatoes and tomatoes. Other members, like deadly nightshade or Tropobelladonna, are toxic. The family shows great diversity and is economically important. The floral formula of Solanaceae is K5C5A5G2. Formula explained. Calyx has 5 sepals, corolla 5 fused petals. Androecium comprises 5 stamens. Gynoecium forms 2 fused carpels. Members display varied growth habits, including herbs, shrubs, small trees. Edible members contribute greatly to food and agriculture globally. Some species' toxicity warns us to choose wisely within the family.